I cut those pieces for you.
We have the day off today. It was alarm testing, so I had to get up earlier than I wanted to. So they came around 10 a.m., but I was still in bed, so I had to quickly get up and let them in to test. I have been editing and it is 12:40, so I am going to make myself some lunch. Maybe I'll do some more decluttering today, but for the most part, I can only go so long doing editing, so it's a good stopping point. I'm gonna make myself some eggs. We went to Costco yesterday, so we got a bunch of eggs. I had been getting into the habit of doing eggs for lunch. I would just boil them so it doesn't stink up the house. I kind of want to do sunny side up eggs. I don't know, because it stinks up the house, but yesterday we got some morning buns. They're okay. And then some croissants. Roberto's not here. He had an appointment and then work, so I felt a little lonely, so I thought I'd pick up the camera. I need second coffee. I'm in the process of making some cold brew. Yesterday around 6. I put some mushroom coffee to kind of steep in the fridge. So 24 hours will be today at 6. So I don't have that ready for me yet. So I just finished some coffee, which this one's my favorite. It's really good. So usually I'll do this and then I have some monk fruit sugar. So I'll do that and I'll add the almond milk and then I'll mix it. After that, then I'll add some heavy cream. Even though it's sweet already with the monk fruit sugar, I'll add some pumps of my Torani salted caramel and vanilla bean, but just maybe like 1 pump of each. And it comes out pretty good. I like mixing this with the milk first and then later mixing the heavy cream with it. And then I think I am gonna do the sunny side up eggs, but to try to avoid the smell, I'm going to cover it with the lid and use like a wok so it kind of blocks the sides. I really don't want to stink up the house, but I really want some sunny side up eggs, so I'm giving it. I don't think I stinked up the house. We're having issues with Roberto's car. He might go down there, try to see if he could fix it or if it's gonna be more intensive thing. So we might have to go looking for different parts to try to fix it. But other than that, I just wanted to edit today and clean around, maybe declutter. I'm just gonna make my coffee and then I'm gonna make some egg croissants for breakfast. I've been decluttering for a while now and we got hungry, so we're gonna go get Wingstop. We're on our way. See what we watch when we come back. I got a mango rise with the regular seasoning and then a ranch. Some wine, 'cause it's a wine type of day. We're trying to figure out what we're gonna watch, so we're just gonna enjoy our food. So we left his parents' house and we came to my parents' house, but my sisters had just gotten something to eat and then my parents went to eat at the Chinese buffet. So we decided we're gonna have, what do they call it? The garlic shrimp in a bag from our favorite place, Claus, in technically that's Garden Grove, right? Yeah, we're gonna head over to do that and I'll show you my yummy meal. We're back home. It is Monday now. I really don't like these lights. They're like orange. I did a bit of laundry already and I have some leftover pad thai that I'm gonna heat up. And I'm on my lunch. We got back pretty late. We got here like at 12. So I had to shower and a bunch of stuff. So went to sleep late. Don't mind my hair. I'll fix it right now. So we're gonna have some steak today, so I have to defrost that. Can't put the aluminum in the microwave. I am asking my boyfriend if he wants to do these Korean barbecue style. We do like an easy way of doing Korean barbecue where we'll just do it with steaks and then we'll put it in the air fryer and then we'll get like rice paper, but we'll kind of soften that up by putting a little bit of water, steaming it in the microwave, and always have a bunch of radish packets in the fridge. And then I do a quick Korean salad. The salad dressing that I do is just this chili sauce, and then I put soy sauce and sugar, and then I just mix that, and then I'll usually dice a little bit of onion, put it in there, leave the onion sitting in there so the onion isn't as strong. And then when it's time to eat, I'll just quickly like get the romaine lettuce and cut it up with my hands, and then I pour the marinade on it. And everything is just easy the way we do it, and we could do it in the middle of the week. And since we're doing the air fryer, the cooking with the air fryer outside, it doesn't stick up the house. So we've really been loving doing that recently. These leftovers are really good. We got the lettuce, I just cut it up. So this is the little sauce that I made, which is the chili salsa and soy sauce and sugar, and then I added some onions. The rice paper, I put a little bit of water and I steamed it in the microwave. The radish, sesame oil with some pepper and salt, and then the chili sauce that I use for this dipping sauce, which is like a meat dipping sauce. That's it, some water. So we're waiting on the steak.
I cut those pieces for you, honey.